The Midwest Explosion is a hair show. You got a lot of talent here in the Midwest, and we're like the center of all the states like Minnesota, Illinois, Nebraska, Missouri. There's a lot of excitement that's coming out of here in Iowa, in the Midwest. It's a big explosion. There's a lot of young barbers and young stylists that's coming up in the game. My goals is to make other cities come here to see what's going on in Des Moines.
What's up, boys? The mad show's going down. Mad salons, barbers, going crazy.
The ladies, the girls, the stylists, these girls put on a fantastic show, man. The energy was there, man. It was a beautiful thing. We live in a state where it's diversified. So therefore, you can't leave nobody out, man, because I want everybody to see this, man. This is for everybody, man, because we do everybody here in this business.
So watch me work, hey, it's cool. We in the club flexing now. Yeah, we got your main watching. Got everybody in the world flexing. Party boys. So watch me